So here is how you skip the hype and deliver measurable AI wins for SMEs. Hi, I'm Sebastian. I specialize in the intersection of AI, automation, and consulting. In today's video, I want to show you the results of what I have developed over the past few years, where I've helped teams transition from isolated pilots to widespread adoption without causing any chaos. Maybe a little bit of chaos. So today I will share a practical 5-step roadmap based on real projects for achieving a scaled impact after the first pilot. AI is about identifying where it actually pays off first and foremost. So start with clear economics, cycle times, error rates, cost to serve. Shortlist 3 to 5 repetitive, high-volume processes with structured data. So in one case, for example, I've automated invoice reconciliation by combining document classification with simple validation rules. The result is processing time dropped from a few days to the same day, and the error rates fell sharply. The lesson here is that measurable value beats impressive demos every time. So don't focus on an impressive demo, focus on measurable values. Good data is the quiet foundation of good automation. So before deploying models, ensure that the data is complete, consistent, and accessible. Then add observability in the form of logs, exception tracking, and performance dashboards. What you have to remember here is that you can't fix what you can't observe. The best pilots are small but meaningful. You have to define what success looks like before you start, whether it is in terms of time saved or of accuracy or stability. You have to include edge cases and human in the loop review. A strong pilot is designed to prove a point, not to do everything. AI adoption without governance is basically just asking for an audit, and with audits there are usually troubles. So you have to define clear roles, data access policies, and retention rules. Version your models, document your changes, and have rollback plans in place just in case something goes wrong. For example, in one SME rollout, a simple role-based access model prevented data leaks across departments long before it was scaled up. Governance is what keeps innovation sustainable. Once you have achieved success in one area, use this as a blueprint for others. Transfer this approach to related processes and set up a lightweight center of enablement, comprising a shared library of templates, QA checklists, and design patterns. For example, one team expanded their remit from ticket triage to include AI-assisted summaries and draft replies. Their average handling time decreased further and adoption increased naturally. The lesson is that scaling isn't about size, a bit contradictory, but it is about repeatability. So here are your actionable takeaways from this video. You have to select pilots with quantifiable issues and clean data. Make observability non-negotiable. Document governance before scaling up. And build a simple library of templates and lessons learned for future reference. So in conclusion, AI wins are engineered, not accidental. If you would like to receive my pilot checklist and score